Good morning, students. So, in lesson 2 exercise is over. So, I will discuss today some multiple choice questions. Okay. And some chapter test questions. So, in multiple choice questions, that question number 8. X power a minus b into x power b minus c into x power c minus a. Okay. So here we are saying that bases are same. Okay. So when bases same and if they are in product form, then add their powers. Okay. So x power a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. And formula this a power m into a power n. So a power m plus n. So first apply for these two, and after that these two will become one, and then apply with that also. Or if more than two, okay, exponential forms are given more than two. Also you can add their powers if bases are same. So simplified. So cancel a minus a plus c minus c b minus b and x power 0 you know 1. So in that option C. Okay. Then question number 9. If 2 power x minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 8, then the value of x is. So 2 power x minus 1 into 8 is equal to 1. So 2 power x minus 1, 8. So that we can write 2 power 3. Bases same, then add their powers. And 1 also we can write 2 power 0 because in left hand side 2 power. So right hand side also you have to write in 2 power. Okay. So 2 power x plus 2 is equal to 2 power 0. So two exponential forms are equal and their bases are equal. So surely their powers also will be equal. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2. So option D in question number 9, option B. Okay. Question number 10. If concept clear, you can do. Okay. So a by b power x minus 1 is equal to b by a power x minus 3. Then x is equal to. So here both, okay, bases are different, a by b and here b by a. Okay, so we cannot compare their powers. So first make bases same. Okay, so if we write a upon b upon a, if we write a upon b, then their power will be negative. Okay, so a by b power minus x plus 3. So now compare their powers. Now bases are same. So x plus x is equal to 1 plus 1. 2x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 1. This is answer. Question number 11. Zero point 6 power 0 minus 0.1 power minus 1 upon 3 by 2 power 3 whole to the power minus 1 into 3 by 2 power 3 plus minus 1 by 3 power minus 1, okay, is equal to. So simplify. So this power 0 means 1 minus 0.1 means 1 upon 10. We can write 1 upon 10 power minus 1 upon this minus, so reciprocal 2 power 3 upon 3 power 1 into 3 by 2 power 3 plus here also reciprocal, so minus 3 upon 1. So 1 minus 1 upon 10 power minus 1. So this will be 1 upon 10. So they are reciprocal 10 power 1 upon this 2 power 3 into 3 power 3 and this upon 3 and here 2 upon 3. Okay. Plus this minus 3. Okay. So 1 minus 10 minus 9 upon this 2 power 3 upon 2 power 3. So 2 power 0 into 3 power 3 upon, so 3 power 3 minus 1 minus 3. So minus 9 upon 2 power 0 1 and 3 power 2 9 minus 3. So minus 9 upon 6. So minus 3 by 2. Okay. Minus 3 by 2 given. Then question number 12. One upon 1 plus a power n minus m plus 1 upon 1 plus a power m minus m. Okay. So denominators different. Okay. So a power n minus m. So if we take minus common, so what it will be m minus n. If we take minus common, then n minus m becomes minus in bracket m minus n plus 1 upon 1 plus a power n minus m. Okay. So 1 upon 1 plus power negative. Okay. So write in their reciprocal. So 1 upon a power m minus n. Clear? And this. So now take LCM. So a power m minus n and here a power m minus n plus 1. Okay. Plus 1 upon 1 plus a power m minus n. So a power m minus n upon now denominators same, so add their numerators. So a power n minus n plus 1 upon 1 plus a power n minus n. So numerator denominator same, so we'll cancel, then will be equal to 1. Okay. So similarly you can do these remaining multiple choice questions. So some questions from chapter test. Okay. So from chapter test, question number 7. Simplify. Okay. Minus 1 by 2 square power minus 2 power minus 2. So first simplify inner bracket, power to the power. Okay. So minus 1. Okay. Power 2 into minus 2. So this will be So minus 1 by 2 power minus 2. Then again formula power to the power. So minus 1 by 2. Okay. Power minus 4 into minus 1. So minus 1 by 2 power 4. Then simply minus power even number positive. So this also we can write power 4. So 1 power 4 upon 2 power 4. So 1 power 4 1 and 2 power 4 16. So 1 upon 16. Okay. Question number 9. If 10 power x is equal to 1 by 2, so asking then 10 power minus 8x, what means? So first you find value of x. So 10 power x is equal to 1 upon 2. So 10 we can write 2 into 5 power x is equal to 1 upon 2. So this 2 power x into 5 power x is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay. So 2 power okay. So 2 power x into 5 power x into 2 is equal to 1. Okay. Okay. So not by this way because 10 power minus 8x is asking. Okay. So 10 power x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So 10 power minus x what will be? 2. 10 power x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Okay. So 10 power x is equal to 1 by 2. So 10 power minus x is equal to 2. Okay. So asking 10 power minus 8x. So this we can write like this: 10 power minus x power 8, power to the power multiply, and 10 power minus x, that is 2. So 2 power 8, then 2 power 8 simplify 8 times. Okay, multiply it. So 256, this will be the answer. Clear? 256. Question number 10. Nine power minus 2 into 18 power minus 4 upon 3 power minus 16 into 9 by 4 power minus 2. Okay, so simplify it. So negative power send, right? So 3 power minus 16, so send in numerator, then will be positive. And this 9 power 2 and 18 power 4 into negative, so write their reciprocal. Okay, 4 upon 9 power 2. So 3 upon 16 upon 9, we can write 3 square. So this will be 3 power 4 into 18. We can write 3 into 3 into 2 means 3 square into 2 power 4 into 4 by 9. We can write 2 by 3 whole square and square also. So 2 by 3 power 4. So space is not there, so here I am doing. Okay. So 3 power 16 upon 3 power 4 into 3 power 2 power 4, so 3 power 8 into 2 power 4 into 2 power 4 upon 3 power 4. Simplify. So 3 power 16 upon into 2 power 4 upon this 3 power 4 plus 8 plus 4 into 2 power 4. So 3 power 16 into 8 plus 4 12 plus 4 16. This also into 2 power 4 upon 2 power 4. So 3 power 16 minus 16 into 2 power 4 minus 4. So 3 power 0 into 2 power 0. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Option C in question number 10. Option C. Okay. So now this chapter second also completed. So in next video I will start lesson 3rd. Okay. Thank you.